run comps on a subject property, click on the Comparables and Nearby Listings tab. Comparables is a collection of public record sell data and MLS data. Included are situational tabs for nearby properties. They allow you to quickly see the other property types and situations also happening in the nearby area. Click on a tab to automatically view comps based on that criteria. By default, PropStream uses predefined criteria to automatically run generalized comps. These defaulted criteria are: the property must have sold within the last year, be within half a mile of the subject property, and have the similar square footage of 20% more or less than the subject property. The default criteria are highly customizable and should be adjusted to fit each subject property's characteristics, location, and situation. You can choose to run comps with public record data, MLS data, or a combination of both. Public record cells provide access to all transactions, even ones that were never listed on the MLS. MLS data provides access to only what has been listed with an agent on the MLS. You can also use both data sets to combine the accuracy of public record data with the recency of MLS data. If you are working in a disclosure state, you will see the actual recorded sales with the public record and MLS. If you are working in one of the 12 states that are considered to be non-disclosure states, the actual sale prices listed on the public records are published as estimates. While for any MLS record, you will see the actual sold prices recorded with the MLS. You have the ability to control the public record sales situation to include cash transactions, properties financed by a bank, and more. Active, contingent, and pending listings will provide you with the actual price listed on the MLS. Add and adjust search filters to create the most accurate comps possible. For comps that rely heavily on location, determine a search area with the draw tool. Once you've applied your search filters, your results will narrow down. For further accuracy, you can go into the details of each property and review the comparison. Make sure to check out our demographics and PropStream intelligence features while you're at it. You can then deselect properties if you don't feel they are a good comparison to your subject property, and your comps analysis will adjust. Use the scroll bar at the bottom of your screen to view more information as well. Your comps are now complete. You can view the average sell price, price per square foot, and average days on market. Make sure to save your comps so you can view and edit them later if needed. You can also export, customize the export, or add them to a new list.